Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show with you how to easily make a multiple choice test in Quizlet. So if you want to make multiple this one, follow me on this video. Go to plus icon, click on the list this one. After clicking on the list, as you can see here, you can click create a study this one, write your test for study, for example this one. After that, you can import this one, choose language, this option, and then write your best definitions, click create and study. After that, select create. When you click create, as you can see here, this one for create. After that, click as suggested. From here, public, choose this for public, everyone, or something like this. You can add a map from here, upload image, select the language, as you can see here, click create, and then click create a study. You will redirect it to this page, choose the start learn mode. So this one, from here, you can, you have terms, don't now click this option, and then write all this information here, as you can see here. After that, from this option, you can create a multiple choice successfully without any problem. Just click create and definition, all this, import all this information here, customize and a new row. This is how you can do, friends. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video.